Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain the details on the settings page of Bookzy Mobile. When you click on the settings button at the bottom right of the application, it directs you to this page. Our first settings are for sound. You can turn off or enable vibrations for each sound. The trigger sound refers to the audible alert you'll get for books that match the triggers you've set. Reject refers to products that don't match the triggers you've set. We recommend using vibration for this because there can be a lot of rejected books, and hearing a sound every time can be quite disturbing. Still, it's beneficial to at least keep vibration on, as it will help you know whether the product has been scanned or not. Not found indicates the alert you'll receive for products that are not in the database when searching in database mode. Error refers to the sound you'll get in case of any errors. Personally, I only enable the trigger sound and set the others to vibrate. In the profit calculation section, there are buy cost and inbound shipping cost, which I explained in the trigger video, so I'll skip them. In the other section, our first feature is Shake to Random Search. This is not a practical feature you would use every day. With this feature enabled, if you shake your phone, it will perform a random ASIN search and provide results as if you've scanned a book. You can use this when experimenting or demonstrating the application to someone. Auto Live on Not Found feature automatically initiates a live search when you receive a Not Found alert in database mode, provided this feature is enabled. If this feature is turned off, you can manually perform a live search by using the Live Search button. The Live on Second Search feature allows for automatic live search when you scan the same product for the second time in database mode and with the scanner. This enables you to make informed decisions without touching your mobile device, relying solely on the scanner. With the Display Subconditions feature, you can make used offers conditions appear in abbreviated form on the scanning screen. In the Account Info section, you have your email address. The device name section below is set when logging in but can be changed later. Clicking on App Version allows you to see a brief summary of what has changed in the latest version. If you click on the Sync Configuration button and choose Push to Web, your triggers from the mobile device will be sent to the web. If you choose Pull from Web, the triggers you've set on the web will be transferred to your phone. If you select Sign Out from Device, you will log out from this device and can log in again from another device. These were the details of the settings page. For any questions, you can seek assistance from the Bookz Pro Support team. Looking forward to the next video and happy scanning.